First ball to
goes
Gayle.
wide. Sorry, Howie. Gone for 4. That's the width that Chris Gayle sweats on.
Spot on early on here.
Oh, it's another thick outside edge. Goes for 4. And we've got George.
A big loss to this team. Gayle. Oh, he swings it away on the leg side. Doesn't even need to make great contact with that plank of wood he's got. It races
His target. Oh, whack goes Chris Gayle. He's on tonight. That's a massive 6.
Jeez, he's hit that sweet as...
0.7. Short one, big one! Big one down at Blunston from Chris Gayle. Oh, he's on tonight in Hobart. He's got a taste for it.
Yeah, I'm a Kookaburra ball. Get me out of here. Absolutely.
First gear though, does he?
No, not really.
Oh, that's an enormous hit. That's high in the Hobart skies. Give that up, the Hurricanes. Oh, that's 25 rows back, and the catch has been taken. Gee, that flew high.
Oh. Beat tonight.
Gayle just goes straight back over his head. He just hefted that. It's the only way to describe it.
Trendy, isn't it?
That's almost hipster.
Trendy.
Yeah. Chris Gayle on 41. One-handed swick. He's down, the big man. Is he out?
Oh, yeah.
He's down, and he's out. And he's on the pitch. And he's still smiling.